It literally sounds like it's going to blow up. And it's concerning what if it did? You know, we're all dead.
Loud noises, bright lights, and toxic smells. Those are some of the concerns residents say they are dealing with living close to the ExxonMobil refinery in Baytown. This is KPRC 2 News at 5. I'm Keith Garvin.
Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Daniela Guzman. Reporter Rochelle Turner is live for us in one neighborhood near that facility. And Rochelle, do you know what is causing all of these issues?
Daniela, Keith, a spokesperson with ExxonMobil, says they recently added new equipment to this refinery right here behind me. We did speak to one man who lives close by. He says the bright lights and loud noises are keeping him up at night and even rattling his windows at times. This is what Doug Wyatt woke up to on January 6 around 8 o'clock in the morning.
There was like this pop, pop, pop. I have no idea what that is. When I come out and I looked, you could actually see one of the flares shooting, you know, with every pop. You could hear that. Okay, is that air in the line? What is causing that?
And this isn't the sun. Wyatt also recorded this video on December 3rd around 6:20 in the afternoon of a bright light coming from the ExxonMobil refinery.
Look out here in the middle of the night, and it's like daylight. You could read a newspaper. That's how bright it is.
And you said it's a smell?
The smell, yeah.
What does it smell like?
Toxic. That's the best way I can describe it.
Doug says it's been a nightmare since ExxonMobil added 2 chemical production units. Just kind of tell me how this has affected your life, especially here in the last year.
Well, fortunately, I'm retired, so I can sleep during the day. My neighbors, most of them work, so it's difficult for them, you know, to get a good night's sleep, to go and provide for their families. That is an ongoing problem lately.
He also has concerns about children who play in the neighborhood.
What are we doing for them for their future?
And Mr. Wyatt says he would like to see more production done in the daytime versus in the night to help with that sleep pattern. Now, he says he's going to continue to reach out to ExxonMobil and report any problems that he sees.
All right, Rochelle, I do want to ask you something. You've reached out to this company a couple of times. Were you able to get a hold of them and get some answers? What did they say?
Yes, I've been in contact with ExxonMobil, and they did apologize for any disruptions. They told me they will continue to reach out to residents in the community. They're going to be going to community meetings and passing out flyers and keeping them informed about any progress and production. They hope to have this project complete in the coming months. Of course, we're going to stay on top of this story and make sure that job gets done.